before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit that like button. It's like tipping your favorite barista, but free. Uh, Ever wondered how to spend your weekend without leaving the couch? Apple TV Plus has you covered with a lineup so hot it's practically sizzling. Let's break it down. Uh, yes, yes. First up, Mr. The Big. Scorsese isn't just a documentary; it's a five-part love letter to cinema, and with insights from legends like De Niro and DiCaprio, it's like a masterclass in storytelling. Um, Premieres.
October 17th, 17.
It still need a laugh. Loot follows a billionaire's journey from tabloid queen to charity queen. Maya Rudolph leads the charge, proving money can't buy happiness, but it can fund uh, hilarious chaos. And new episodes, October 15 films, Hungry for Drama, Knife Edge Chasing Michelin Stars 2025 takes you inside kitchens where pressure cooks dreams. Gordon Ramsay's involved. And there wasn't to know, expect spice, both literal and metaphorical. Premieres October 10th. And for thrill seekers, The Last Frontier 2025 crashes into Alaska with a marshal, a conspiracy, and enough wilderness to make you appreciate your Wi-Fi. Premieres October 10. Hollywood's Chaos gets a spotlight in the studio, and 2025, and that Seth Rogen and Prue show us the magic and mayhem behind the scenes. And it's like watching a circus, but with scripts. They history buffs meet Chief of War 2025. Jason Momoa brings the Hawaiian Islands unification to life, blending authenticity with epic storytelling. And it's history, but make it blockbuster. The morning show keeps serving drama hotter than your morning coffee. Aniston and Witherspoon. Yes, please, amazing. It's still Apple TV Plus's crown jewel, and for good reason. Spy games get messy in Slow Horses 2022. And Gary Oldman leads a team of MI5 misfits, proving even spies have bad days. It's like James Bond, but with more paperwork. Severance asks, what if work-life balance meant literally splitting your brain? Adam Scott stars in this mind-bending thriller that'll make you question your next 9 to 5. And then finally, Foundation 2021 takes you across galaxies where math saves humanity. It's like a sci-fi epic, but with more equations. Still, it's a top pick this week. Here's a joke. Why did the TV show go to therapy? It had too many issues parenting families. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time,